Let's start in. In this session, we are going to discuss master AWS step functions. Okay, let's start understanding what are step functions. Let me uh, explain what are step functions. Let's say we have developed blue blue job one, blue job one, and so on. We developed multiple blue jobs. Let's say job N. We developed job N. We developed what? Job N. Similar way, let's say I developed functions, lambda functions, lambda function 1, and so on. I developed multiple lambda functions, function N. Let's say function N. And similar way, I developed Athena queries, and I developed Redshift queries, etc. I developed multiple jobs. Then, then I want to define workflow. I want to execute first this job, and then I want to call Athena query, and I want to execute another job. I want to call Athena query. Like that, I want to define a workflow. There is some sequence. I want to execute that sequence. Here, if you observe, these are different services. Glue, Lambda, Athena, Redshift, different services. I want to define workflow for this my entire ETL flow, entire ETL application flow. AWS people providing a special service called AWS Step Functions. AWS Step Functions. Using this AWS Step Functions, first point, AWS Step Functions are serverless orchestration. You no need a separate mission to install configure step functions. You can use this service for orchestration purpose. It is a serverless. Serverless. Next one. It can coordinate with multiple AWS services. Only one thing you need is you need IAM role attached to step functions. Whatever the services it is going to communicate, you have attached roles to IAM. Sorry, you can create a IAM role, you can attach corresponding permissions, then you can attach that role to your step functions job. Then that job can coordinate with multiple AWS services, any AWS services we can say. And after creating workflow, you can automate that workflow. Workflow means sequence of jobs. Job 1, job 2, job 3, job 4. And automate workflow means when to execute that jobs. Let's say I'm getting data early in the morning 6 or late night 11:50 or afternoon 2 p.m. Depends upon my requirement. I can automate that workflow going to execute. Such kind of things we can implement using AWS step functions. Simply we can say it is a serverless orchestration tool to implement, to define workflow, to schedule workflow, or to automate workflow. Very pointed it. To implement this orchestration. To implement this orchestration, do I need to learn any special programmatic approach? No. You no need to learn complex programmatic approaches like Python, other scripting oriented programming techniques. You no need to learn. It provided it provided one language called ASL. ASL. What is ASL? ASL stands for ASL stands for Amazon States Language. Amazon State Language. It is similar to J. It starts with these kind of notation: curly braces, curly end, curly end, and we can state one, nothing but job one details, job one. So you can write multiple states, depends upon your requirement. You can requirement. Okay. Each state you can write for into AWS services or same AWS services, depends upon your requirement. AWS states language provided provided to write states for different services. It is similar to it is sorry, it is similar to JSON. You no need to learn any scripting oriented programmatic approach. Learning states language, Amazon states language is very, 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 very easy. Like, see, AWS people provides AWS people provides nice graphical user interface called AWS Management Console. As a user, you log in, AWS Management Console. You can navigate step function. You can navigate step function. You can write workflow. You can write workflow using Amazon States language. Using Amazon States language, you can define workflow. Let's say state 1 lambda and state 2 lambda, state 3 lambda, state 4 lambda, state 5 lambda. Like this, in this example, lambda functions in this diagram. But you can define workflow for any AWS service. It can coordinate with multiple AWS services. It is not meant for particular AWS services. AWS having 200 plus services, 200 plus services. You can define workflow for any AWS service using Amazon Step Functions. Amazon Step Functions. It is simple JSON kind of programmatic approach. It is very, very easy, no complex, no programmatic approaches. It's simple defining JSON notation for each job. They given predefined predefined names for different services. You can use it. You can provide a definition for each step. Then you can submit. Then step function taken care to call corresponding jobs. Step functions will taken care to call corresponding jobs. You no need a separate environment. You no need a separate server. You can use AWS Management Console. Step functions is a serverless orchestration tool. You can define your jobs. You can submit. Okay, learning, implementing is very, very, very easy compared to compared to existed orchestration tools. It very easy. And most of AWS data engineering projects, most of AWS development projects use step functions. There are plenty of others. I'm not saying only step functions people will use. I'm saying of AWS data engineering projects, most of AWS development projects uses uses AWS step functions because you no need setup configuration installation, you no need a programmatic scripting approaches, simple, easy to learn, easy to implement. Okay, there are plenty of reasons industry going AWS step functions for orchestration means defining workflow, automating workflow.